Hello and welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we will create a personal access token, and Docker will use the personal access token to clone the application codes repository when we build our Docker image. To create a personal access token, in your GitHub account, select your profile in the upper right-hand corner. Then click Settings. On the Settings page, scroll all the way down. Then click Developer Settings. On this page, select Personal Access Tokens. Then click Tokens Classic. Click Generate New Token and select Generate New Token Classic. Under Note, give the token a name. I'll call this token Clone Repository. Once you've given your token a name, under Expiration, select this drop-down and you can pick an expiration date for your token. I'm going to select 90 days. And this means that this token is going to expire on this date. Then scroll down. Under Select Scopes, we are going to select the repo scope. So click the repo and that's all we need to select. Once you've selected the repo scope, scroll all the way down and click Generate Token. There you go. We have successfully created the personal access token that Docker will use to clone the application codes repository. The next thing I want you to do is, before you leave this page, you must copy your personal access token. Because if you don't copy it now, when you leave this page, you won't be able to see your token anymore. So, click this box to copy it. Once you copy it, open the notepad on your computer. Once you open Notepad on your computer, paste your personal access token in it and save this file somewhere on your computer. You will need this personal access token in the next lecture when we build our Docker image. Once you have saved your personal access token on your computer, click Tokens Classic here to leave the page. And there you go. You can see the personal access token we just created and it will expire on this date. If you have any questions on this lecture or there's any part you don't understand, please leave your comments below. Thank you and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.